All my fellas. All my fellas.
Like my POV camera? You like my camera?
Oh my. Alright, today's fit check, we got Crocs on. These were bought on Amazon for only $20. We got these shorts, Speedo.
Let's look at what I want to really see. No. Time to go fishing. Is a red light blinking, Tim?
Yeah.
Alrighty.
So we're going all the way down there?
Okay. Oh. 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 This guy's paddleboarding. Oh no, they're coming after us.
You gotta tell me.
This guy's a seal. Oh, you smashed your finger.
I'm good. I go, bro. I'll follow you. Go to the seal.
Dang, people are swimming out here. It's crazy.
You got some good balls.
Cause he used to swim.
What the flip, bro? Oh. Okay, I want some of that. Oh.
Let's give this man a scalpel right now.
Bro, just puncture the thing and then,
What happened, Charlie?
I want you to play a little game where we sacrificing.
Oh, right here.
Peter! You got hella voted the correct character.
Oh.
You did it.
Oh,
You did it.
scared it.
So different this time. Oh wow, they actually changed it. Yeah. Ceviche.
hopefully I can start working that shit. Prep that. That means they're just like chopping it. Yeah. What's up about that?
Alright, let's see what it tastes like, Charlie.
It feels so feels like I'm like drinking juice or something.
Harland brewing.
How am I stumbling?
Look at this. There's little flights of interesting flavors. I got all the.
Oh, you got the ube. What's BFS?
The banana Foster.
Did you get into med school?
I don't know.
Excuse me, sir.
Why are you touching him like this?
Martin, where are you?
That was good. And you know what? Like all four of us.
Tim, what are you excited for?
I'm excited for ice cream.
It's gelato.
Gelato, Italian ice cream.
Great.
There we go. I know we tried a couple flavors in line already, right?
Yeah.
Beautiful. I'm gonna skip over those two for you guys.
Pause.
Boy.
What do you think?
So good. I love ants. I love SD guys.
Should we go to the other location tomorrow?
Oh, Hatmaker?
Yeah.
Oh, this is so good.
Nah. See. Not a POV.
Come on.
How do you feel?
Huh? What a blessing to be here today. If you're out there.
Did you enjoy praying today?
I did. I love praying.
I can't see you.
You can.
Data center? Data center. Some darn data centers.
To the tippy top.
Calm love view, nothing crazy.
What are you doing?
You know?
Why this guy shutting himself?
Average day in South San Jose. Nothing crazy, you know. As we were walking on this trail, I was thinking about some words of wisdom that were shared to me by my shifu or master.
Oh, you were cultivating? Were you cultivating?
I was
for 1,000
cultivating,
years?
and it goes like this: a man often meets his destiny on the road he takes to avoid it. Is that a bar? This guy put his shirt back on.
From here, it's like 30 minutes. But it's pretty cool.
So Kev can bring us back to the church. Wow. What's a good word?
Wow, it is very crowded. There's too many people, Charlie.
Today we're gonna be trying barbecue. Let's start with the cornbread. Can I eat some cornbread? Before I start the cornbread, I said we say a prayer. How's about that?
Say grace.
Let's say grace.
Did you wash your hands?
I did.
Oh, you did?
Dude, I wiped it, bro. Alright guys, camera eats first. Howdy y'all, we got some barbecue. That's a man-fighty good Texas barbecue.
He'll be eating food. Are you born and raised here? Get it? Because it's born and raised. Get it? Tim, get it? Tim, get it?
Hey, Brandon, come and look at this.
You know, the steaks in the oven. Start ore farming. Start ore farming. Oh.
Yo, that's crazy.
What?
I bet you they're gonna let you take it home now.
Oh! Oh, wait.
Wait, that's
let me see.
insane.
Oh.
We had a crazy day today. You know, we went from more casual. Hello.
Oh, sorry. But ADC got to me.
Casual to now formal, and tonight we're gonna get wasted on my birthday. We're going to the club. We're gonna hit all the stops today.
We ain't going to Nova. Oh yeah, that looks kind of beautiful, Peter. See where?
Dry aged ribeye. Medium rare, but in my opinion, it looks
kind of rare. Look, yeah.
We got some peppercorn sauce here too, but we're gonna first try it regular. I don't know. There's something a little bit different, I think, from dry aged to regular. I can't put my finger on what it is.
Okay.
Cheers, happy birthday.
Alright, ready, guys? 3, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. It's kind of cool. I like how it says your name on it.
I only wish for one thing. I wish for JC.
Oh no.
Jesus Christ.
Oh. Oh.
What if Mando is actually tacos?
I don't think.
Dude, I don't think the Israelites will be complaining then.
Oh yes.
What's up, guys? We're back at Hands. I love this place. Very good.
Oh yeah. You like it?
Yeah, really caught fire. Alright, should we go?
Cinematic.
The Santa Cruz reunion.
Over the rainbow.